This is a Paramount pop-out window card. This is a concept card from our friends at Hunkydory. Now, these cards allow you to make 8 different cards, but all in the same format, the same style. Let me show you what's in this kit. Now, you're going to get the card base, and you're going to get 2 each of the designs I'm going to show you. So we've got the heart. These are printed on both sides. Then you get the inner piece of the card, again printed on both sides. So you're going to get 2 each of these. You're going to get 2 each of the cupcake, as you can see. You're going to get 2 each of the candles with the flowers and the dragonfly. Oh, so pretty. And 2 each of the little birdhouse, and there's the inside of the piece. Now you also get all of these die cuts, and I think there are over 50 of them, and they're on 2 sheets. Let me scoot this out of the way. You can see this sheet. You can see that if you kind of remember those that I just flashed by you. These are using the birdhouse and the cupcake. This is using the candles. This is using the heart. You're going to get 2 of these sheets. That way you can make all of the cards. And let me just show you the process. Okay, so as you get this piece, you're going to pop out the center, and the center is going to end up being used a little bit later. And then you're going to take this piece and you're going to fold it. And let me show you how you'll do that. And just, okay, taking something apart over here. Okay, so this is the piece, and all you do is fold on the score lines. Now, I do recommend that you use a bone folder to really make those folds very crisp. So this is going to get like here. And this is going to get. Now what happens is we take this piece and we're going to insert it. So that is going to go into the opening. These 2 are going to get glued together. This is going to get glued onto the inside of the card, but right at the edge. So both of those go to the edge and get glued in place, okay? And that's how that's going to be. Then this piece is going to go through that opening. That is the kind of the swing part of it, the window card of it, okay? Now, all of these pieces right here, you can see, maybe you can see, it's the same image, but it's done on smaller and smaller pieces. That is the pyramid type look. So what happens is you foam tape them one on top of the other, but it's all the same design. It just ends up making a 3D piece. Now this piece is going to go on our inside our window, and it's going to be foam taped right there. And then again, this is going to pop through as the card is opened, like that. Now you might have noticed that on this piece there are greetings, all kinds of things, little extra embellishments that you can use, so feel free to do that. So again, you're going to end up making 8 cards, and there are also envelopes to match, so that's really nice. And you have 4 beautiful styles. You can kind of see a close-up. The directions are included, and all you need is foam tape and glue to attach that inner piece into the card itself. So just makes a really fun card, and I think the imagery is just beautiful. So that's what we have on this particular classic card collection.